Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Sandy and this is the Sister Cousin Lifestyle, and welcome to my messy kitchen. Now it's not normally like this, but it is today, and the reason is yesterday I spent most of the day doing some canning, and I have just pretty much torn the kitchen apart with everything and then did not feel like cleaning up. So yes, I went to bed with the kitchen looking like this. So now I've got to get everything and put it in place. So welcome to my channel. If you're looking for some cleaning motivation, that's what you're going to get today, because I've got a lot of work to do here. I've got stuff on the floor. The box from my canner is still on the floor. The canner is out. I've got to find a place to keep it, and just stuff all over the place, as you can see. So let me stop talking. Let me get busy. Sit back, enjoy, or if you're cleaning along with me, drop down in the comments below and let me know what you're cleaning today. But we've got work to do here, so let's go. Now I'm not using anything special for cleaning today, just some Dawn dishwashing liquid and vinegar water, which is what I commonly use, and a little bit of bleach in my dishwater. And I mentioned before, I commonly forget to put on rubber gloves when I'm cleaning dishes. I don't know why. I'm not a real fan of the gloves. I do have them, but I'd rather just do it without. What about you? Do you use your rubber gloves anytime you're cleaning? I do if I'm doing the bathroom or other parts of the home, but in the kitchen, oftentimes I will forget. I'm just putting my Instant Pot back together so I can go ahead and put that in the cabinet. I love this pot. I use it to prepare beans, greens, all types of dishes, my rice. I just love it so much. That's one of the best inventions. That and the air fryer, my two favorites. You know, it's so crazy that we are almost into November. Are you all ready for Thanksgiving? What are you going to be doing for Thanksgiving this year? I know with the pandemic and all, we may have different plans than we would have had in the past with family and friends and get-togethers and parties and dinners and all those types of things. So what are you and your family doing this year differently? Yeah, it's going to be so, just so much to get accustomed to this holiday season. It's going to be really challenging, I feel. So it makes me kind of sad, but I know that we're going to get through it. And next year, Lord willing, we'll be able to celebrate all the more, and we'll appreciate it so much more after going through what we've gone through this year. No, I am using some Mrs. Meyer's multi-purpose cleaner for my countertops. Normally I like the Method granite cleaner, but this was handy, so I'm just using it on it today. And thinking about Thanksgiving, we need to get our menu together for Thanksgiving. We don't necessarily do the traditional Thanksgiving dinner meal options. I mean, we could do, some seafood gumbo or just anything. And that's probably what we'll do because it's just so much easier than the big traditional feast. And we have a small family, so no need to have all of this excess food around. What are you all going to have on your menu? So now that I'm sitting down, I've decided to go ahead and put this together. And what this is like an over-the-shelf rack that goes in the pantry just to create some additional storage space. And I'm going to use it for my wraps, aluminum foil, sandwich bags, that type of thing. So I'm just going to put it together, put it over there. That way I can get those types of items out of the other part of the pantry and create additional space for my prepper pantry, which I'm in the midst of trying to build out, and I need as much space as I can possibly get at this point. And if you're interested in this over-the-counter rack, I will link the information in the description box below. It is from Amazon, and I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will include the information if you're interested in purchasing this rack. It is very convenient for, wraps or canned goods or whatever you want to store in that. If you're trying to create additional space for your pantry, it's pretty handy. So see, I'm able to store everything there, and that was a great space saver for me. So I'm really pleased with it. Now with this rack, you could attach it to the door or just hang it over the door, and I chose to just hang it over the door as opposed to putting holes in the door or whatever, and it's holding up really well. With that, I was worried that it might swing when I'm opening the door or whatever, but it's pretty sturdy, so that's a good thing. So my pantry is really coming together. I'm pleased with the way that it's going. As I've mentioned in previous videos, my goal is to have 3 months food supplies on hand in case of an emergency, another quarantine, or whatever might happen. I just think it's a good practice to have a supply on hand. Well, that's all the cleaning I got today. I am so tired. Now it's time to sit back, relax, and enjoy the rest of my day. And I would like to wish you the same. Have a great day. Subscribe if you're not currently subscribed, and I hope to see you on my next video. Bye-bye.